Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn Act 1, Scene 3. Last day we discussed about the summary of Act 1, Scene 2. That scene was taking place in Belmont, but here again this scene is coming back to Venice. This entire scene is taking place in a public place in Venice. This scene is introducing our one another important character, Shylock, the Jewish moneylender. Antonio and Bassanio come to him for the loan of 3,000 ducats. Shylock reminds Antonio how he insulted, humiliated, and ill treated him and tried to come in the way of his business transactions. So the Shylock asks him how he can expect money from him. Then, by understanding that this is an opportunity to take revenge on Antonio, he agreed to lend the money on the condition that Antonio will sign a bond to the effect that if he fails to repay the loan in time, Shylock would be entitled to cut off a pound of Antonio's flesh. Antonio agreed to it, thinking that his ship will be back and he will pay the loan well in time. So, dear students, these all are the things happening in this particular scene. Now we will see each and everything in detail. Shylock, a Jewish moneylender, agrees to loan Bassanio 3,000 ducats for a term of 3 months. Bassanio assures Shylock that Antonio will guarantee the loan. But Shylock is doubtful because Antonio's wealth is currently invested in business ventures that may fail. In the end, however, Shylock decides that Antonio's guarantee of the loan will be sufficient assurance, and he asks to speak with him. When Antonio arrives, Shylock, to himself, confesses his hatred for the man. Antonio is a Christian who lends money without interest, which makes more difficult for Shylock to lend money. Shylock is the one who charges a lot of interest for money. So Antonio is a business enemy for Shylock. He expresses that in the stage. Shylock is also incensed by Antonio's frequent public denunciation of Shylock. Antonio makes it clear to Shylock that he is not in the habit of borrowing or lending money, but he decided to make an exception on behalf of his friend Bassanio. In this scene, when Bassanio asks for 3,000 ducats for 3 months, Shylock agrees that Antonio is a good man. Antonio is a good man in the sense he is satisfactory security. He is having enough money. In that sense only, Shylock expresses that Antonio is a good man. But Shylock expresses his doubt whether Antonio can pay the money on time because he invested all his money in different ventures. Antonio's merchant ships are in the sea, so Shylock says that ships are only wooden boats, sailors are only mortals, and he expresses a concern like land rats and water rats. There are land robbers and water robbers, so that can cause a problem to Antonio. And also Shylock adds 2 more concerns regarding the safety of Antonio's ships: the rocks and the storms in the sea. These all dangers can make problems to Antonio's ship. With this all, Shylock is questioning the credibility of Antonio, whether he can pay the cash on time. But at last, understanding this is an opportunity to take revenge on Antonio, Shylock agrees. Meanwhile enters Antonio to the stage. That time, Shylock is expressing his dislike of Antonio. Shylock says, "He looks like a tax collector. I hate him because he is a Christian, but even more because in his foolish stupidity he lends out money free of charge. Because of that, it brings down the rate of interest for us in Venice." After that, Shylock speaks about Antonio's frequent public denunciation of Shylock. Shylock says to Antonio that many times you have abused me in the public about his money and his money lending practices. But Shylock was keeping quiet and suffering that all in patience. Shylock says, Antonio, you called me unbeliever, murderous dog, and you spit on my Jewish robe. All because I make use of my own money. Now it seems that you are in need of my help. All right, you come to see me and you say, Shylock, we are in need of money. You spit upon my bread and kick me as you would kick a stray dog out of your house. You request for money. What I will say to you? Shall I not say, how can a dog have money? Is it possible for a stray dog to lend 3,000 ducats? Or shall I bow down and in a servile tone, low voice, and in a humble whisper say this, Good sir, last Wednesday you spat upon me. On another day you pushed me out of the way. Another time you called me dog. Because of these acts of politeness, I shall lend you the money you want. Likewise, Shylock is expressing his all anger towards Antonio. So Antonio says, I am just like to call you the same things again, to split on you again, and to push you aside again. And he continues like, if you lend me money, do not do as a friend, but lend it to me as to an enemy. Such an agreement, Antonio claims, will make it easier for Shylock to exact a harsh penalty if the loan is not repaid. Assuring Antonio that he means to be friends, Shylock offers to make the loan without interest. Instead, he suggests that, seemingly in jest, if Antonio is not able to pay the money on time, as a penalty, Shylock will cut out exact 1 pound of flesh from Antonio's body. So that is the deal. If Antonio is not paying the money, Shylock will take 1 pound of flesh from Antonio's body wherever Shylock likes to cut off. Antonio is agreeing to this bond, but Bassanio expresses his disagreement to this bond. But Antonio confirms Bassanio that there is no a single reason for fear, and Antonio says his ships are sure to come back home within 1 month, and they will be surely able to pay the money on time. Thank you. Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn Act